How often should you be posting on YouTube? Should it be every day, bi-daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, never? We're going to go over that. Welcome back to the channel, Grow Your YouTube channel, where we help you with channel growth, tips and tricks, getting you monetized quickly, reaching more organic viewers, and the best in expert YouTube advice. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you too can stay informed of some upcoming videos that'll help you grow your channel. So let's dive right into it. How much should you be posting in 2021 on YouTube? I completely suggest you watch until the end because there's going to be valuable information and tips and tricks on your YouTube videos and what they should be, what they should have, and basically how often you should be posting. So the answer is however much you want, but there are certain things that will help your videos and will also hurt your videos with the YouTube algorithm. So as long as your videos are quality posts, and what I mean by quality post, basically they need to offer value or of some sort, whether it's information, how-tos, guidance, really anything that can offer value to your viewer because you want them to keep coming back for more. So I went back to my gaming highlights reference. If you're just going to be uploading gaming highlights of a video game that you're currently playing, I'm sorry, but the hard truth is nobody cares. You need to be offering value on YouTube until you get a certain following to the point where your subscribers would be willing to watch those highlights of yours. But if you're just starting off a channel, that is a bad idea. Consistency, I will explain that in the next slide, but your YouTube videos need to be consistent in every aspect. This includes great editing, having scripts, which means preparing ahead of time and not just going off on a limb, and having a good mic and camera. I've just made a video on the top 5 mics of my choice in my last video, so if you haven't checked it out already, be sure to go check that out. So my suggestion to you is to basically start with one quality video per week minimum, and if you can do more, absolutely go for it. There is no limit to how much you can post on YouTube videos. Now, I am talking about YouTube videos and not YouTube Shorts. I will make a separate video on YouTube Shorts, but for right now, we're just talking about YouTube videos. And these need to have good video edits and need to be to the point. So once per month is also fine too. Just if you're going to be posting once per month, make sure that it's a good one because channels do blow up even if they post once per month. So there's really no limitations, but you also don't want to be spamming with a bunch of unnecessary video posts. As long as each one offers value of some sort, like my channel, I'm going over a different topic and subject each time, and I've been posting every day, then that's okay to do, just as long as they offer value and good information that will keep your subscribers coming back for more. Time. So how much time do you have to dedicate to YouTube? Can you do it once per week? Can you do it once per month? Can you do it every day? We all have busy lives. Some of us work full-time jobs, but the fact of the matter is that you got to dedicate some time to YouTube if you want to be successful. You got to have scripts ready. You got to do bit by bit. See, I'm leaving that for you to answer. How can you prepare yourself? You need to ask that. Let me know down in the comments because I want to know how you can prepare yourself to upload videos and upload good content that people will keep coming back for. Make content engaging. Basically give your viewers a reason to like and comment on your video. Now this is the same exact slide as my YouTube algorithm Google slideshow because I wanted to reiterate this and its importance. You need to be able to relate to your viewers, otherwise they're not going to care what you are posting about. Again, going back to offering value of some sort, whether it's information, how-tos, reviews of some sort, just anything that can offer value. Take suggestions and feedback. Ask them for feedback and any criticism. You need good and bad comments. You need to be able to reply to bad comments. And what I mean by bad comments is, yes, criticism or people just flat out don't like you or your channel. Guess what? It's okay to have comments like that. It's okay to get dislikes. This isn't an Instagram competition to get the most likes on every post that you can get. This is about your channel and what you want to do and what you want to give to your subscribers. And lastly, of course, make sure to have good video edits, because if you don't have good video edits, then the giveaway and contests and whatever else you have to offer in your videos are not going to matter because people are not going to watch until the end unless you have good video edits. So make sure to have a good video editor for you. You can also hire an editor with these 3 links. VidChops is the #1 go-to for me. I've used VidChops in some of my other channels as they are an affordable rate and can help you get the perfect video edit that you need. Fiverr.com and Bribe are also great for freelancers if you want to be more on a budget. But my tips for you are, of course, hiring an editor, getting multiple videos in the same day. So when you record a video, it is good to get ahead of yourself in case you need to do a bunch of post-editing. So what I mean by that is getting set up properly, making sure your mic, your camera, all of your lighting equipment, whatever you may need is set up so that you can go through different videos in the same day. Now, you may not be posting all of them at once. You may spread them out through the month, but that is basically what I get to in number 3 down here. Make a schedule. Have due dates. Be consistent with your schedule so that you can post on your time and so that your viewers will be expecting your posts on certain dates, or whether it's weekly, whether it's daily, it doesn't matter. You just need to make sure you're on a certain plan. And last but not least, post videos as unlisted. This is my suggestion, but you can also post them as private. You can post them as public if you want as soon as they're up. As soon as I'm done recording this video, I usually just put it as public. But if you want to record multiple videos at once and you put them up as unlisted, that way you can promote them as soon as you're ready to launch them. This is a good idea, though this is very flexible. You can do whatever you want. So the harsh truth is that there is no proven strategy. There have been so many successful channels that can post multiple times per day. There are successful channels that can post once a month, once every 2 months. Just make sure if you're monetized, you're posting at least once every 4 months, because after the 4-month mark is up, Google AdSense may revoke your monetization privileges because they view you as inactive. Now, any channel can blow up, and how? The answer is quality. Offer value in your YouTube videos, because that way you are going to offer your subscribers and anyone out there too, and trigger the YouTube algorithm, but you're going to offer anyone out there valuable information that they'll keep coming back for more, and they'll subscribe to your channel. So make sure that you have all of these aspects in your videos, because without them, I'm not saying you won't be successful, but it will be hard to be successful without them. So this has been Grow Your YouTube Channel. If you found this video at all helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And then hit the subscribe button, notification bell if you haven't already, so I can continue to help you. Whether you found this video useful or not, I guarantee there will be some video that will be able to help you in your YouTube channel journey. So until next time, peace out.